Hey guys! FK Tech here. 2023 Hyundai Lafesta N-Line. On October 17th, Beijing Hyundai officially released the official map of its compact sedan, the Festa N-Line model. As a facelift model, the new car has added the N-Line exclusive sports kit, and the overall shape is more dynamic. It is worth mentioning that the official said that the car will be listed in the near future. You can find more visual details of the 2023 Hyundai Lafesta N-Line gallery by scrolling up. In terms of appearance, the new Festa has been declared before. Combined with the official picture of the Festa N-Line model released this time, the new car adopts a frameless front air intake grille, and the headlights on both sides are similar to the grille. Fusion into a one-piece shape, the front surround adopts a more sporty design, and the sharp ventilation openings on both sides highlight the attributes of youthful personality. From the side of the body, the new car still adopts the fastback coupe style. The double waistline design, new two-color rims and red brake calipers further deepen the sports attributes. At the rear, the new car is equipped with a through-type blackened taillight group design, and the rear surround shape is also very sporty, with a large-sized spoiler to increase the car's sporty atmosphere. In terms of body size, referring to the previous declaration information, the length, width and height of the normal version are 4690/1790/1425 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2700 mm. In terms of power, the new car will be equipped with a 1.5T turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a maximum power of 200 horsepower. The new Festa N-Line draws on the modern sensuous sportiness design concept. The new car adopts a frameless front air intake grille. The headlights on both sides and the grille are integrated into an integrated shape. The front surround adopts a more sporty design. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.